Hindi kaya Team Sue ngayon nung kinukulang sa pag-aaruga at pagmamahal. It is now exactly 10 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock tuloy. 11 pala. 11 o'clock, good evening. On TVP FM with Bobby V, playing the music for you all the way till 12 midnight.
Bringing Filipinos worldwide closer to home.
Number 1.
To Noon Pinoy Power FM.
TPP FM. TPP
Simula ng araw mo ng tama sa Tunog Pinoy Power FM, tara, sumama na. Makinig ka lang at sumabay sa mga paborito mong kanta at di ka na mag-iisa. Kasama mo kami sa hirap at saya. Nasaan ka man, mundo nating magsasama. Dito ka na, mas marami, mas masaya. Request mo ay sabihin na, at siyak lahat ay kakanta. Patiin mo mga kaibigan, kamag-anak o kahit sino ba. Basta ba masaya ka, dito ka na, dito na.
TPP FM. No bush, no drama, just good times.
It's Sunday. Let love take the lead. It's Love Sunday. From timeless classics to the sweetest ballads, we've got the soundtrack to your heart. Whether you're falling in love, remembering a special moment, or just in the mood for romance, we've got you covered. Love Sunday with Bobby V on TPP FM.